Hello and welcome to Help Me Make It. Today's video we're going to be making beautiful sun catchers, and unfortunately it is a cloudy day, so we're not going to be getting those beautiful sun rays in this house, but you get the picture. Let's get started.
All right, so now that we have our image, I did get it from Design Space. Now that we have this image, we're going to go ahead and do the first portion that we need for our sun catcher. And what that is an offset. So normally I like to try to have the offset a little bit bigger than the actual design, so to speak. That way we have more of an area for the sun to pass through. So a design just like this would be perfect. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click apply, and as you can see there are holes in here. So we're going to go ahead and hit contour. We're just going to hide all contours, and now we have our offset, and this portion here is going to be the actual like window cling, and then this will be cut out in vinyl. So what I'm going to do to make my life easier is I'm just going to select like a purple, because I think I'm going to do this in like a really pretty opal color that I have, and then this will be the window film. I think I said that already. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so I wanted to go into settings to cut your window film. So I'm just going to pick my cardstock adhesive backed, and I'm going to click more. I use that for a ton of different materials. This one is kind of like my sticker material. I even sometimes use this for my magnets. All right, so I'm going to let this cut, and then we'll be back to cut the vinyl and all that good stuff. All right, let's go.
All right, so before we go any further, I wanted to talk about placement on your mat. So with the window film that I have, it has two sides. As you can see, this side has like the holographic side, and then this is like the side that they would peel off. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you cut with this side up, and you're just gonna align it like you would with like any paper or anything like that. You do need a new mat or one that has like a strong grip on it. Not too strong, but strong enough. And just use a brayer and get it on there good. All right, let's get this cutting. Okay, so now it's been cut. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the excess. And I'm gonna leave the window cling on this mat. You see how beautifully that cut out? All right, so I'm gonna leave this on this mat, and then I'm gonna load up my vinyl.
Okay, so I have my holographic or opal vinyl loaded up in my Cricut. What I wanted to do is I wanted to change this from cardstock. I want to change it over to holographic vinyl. And then I'm just going to hit more pressure. All right, because you've got two different mediums, you're going to want to make sure that you pick the correct setting, or you may tear up your vinyl, and that's not something you want. All right, so let's get into cutting this, and then we'll come right back with the actual cut. Let's go.
Okay, so I've got this really pretty, like bluish, purplish opal vinyl. I usually get all my vinyl from 143 Vinyl. I'm actually an affiliate of theirs, so I'm gonna try to link my affiliate code in the description as well. I wanted to do a different video where I like spoke about it, but I'm just gonna throw it at you guys. It'll save you 5%. So, all right, let's get to cutting this one. Okay, so I must have gotten like a really good blade or something, because this thing is chopping up my paper, but it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna get the transfer tape on here, and then we're gonna get it on the film, so we can actually make our sun catcher. So let's get this on here. Okay, so now I've got everything on my transfer tape, so I'm just gonna burnish this really well with my squeegee to be sure that we pick up everything in one fell swoop. I mean, you know, if you don't, you can always do my favorite method and a lot of crafters' favorite methods, and that's just lifting up your design, okay? Turning it upside down, and then just peeling from the back. Now, sometimes, you know what? This is perfect, actually, because I think I'm going to get to teach you guys something. Yep, I am. All right. So, as you can see, right, some of my vinyl may be a little bit old. So what's happening, or may have cut to like into it. So as you can see, like the paper is lifting up with the design. So this is when you want to go in really kind of slowly. All right. And you're going to grab like your tool like this. All right. And you're just going to try to lift that paper up. Sometimes you have to come at it from different angles, and that's fine too. So again, you know, don't be afraid to just start working however you can. All right. because once you get a little section like this, you can continue peeling off your paper, all right? So don't be afraid. It's not ruined. You know, I see a lot of people say, oh, my project's ruined. No, 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 no. Don't get discouraged. That's the easiest way. That's the easiest thing to do is get discouraged. Because, you know, like, whew, I know, like, I've questioned myself, like, all right, are you going to show when you make mistakes? That's always been one of my huge questions. Like, are you going to show when you make mistakes and stuff like that? Because, you know, it's you want people to know that you know what you're doing. And it's like, yeah, but if you don't show a mistake, how can you relate to somebody? You know, my opinion anyway. All right, so we've got most of this off here. And again, as you see me, I'm just cutting off the excess to make it a little bit easier to be able to pull. So with your tools, this is when you're going to be mindful of where you're putting your hands, because you don't want to get your hands on the actual decal. So, because you can mess up like the stickiness. All right, so as you saw, you see? Now look, decal's all set. You can see it's nice and pretty and nice. All right, let's get into the next portion. I'm going to clean this up. All right, so with your film still on your other mat, you're gonna go ahead and grab your decal, okay? And this is like layering, believe it or not. I'm gonna hope not to get my head in the film, so hold on. I'm just gonna try to line this up as best as I can, okay? All right, that looks like it's about right there. All right, so just as you would whenever you're laying vinyl, you just want to go slowly. You don't want bubbles, you know. So you're just going to go slowly. All right. So that looks like it's good on there. So you'll just do like that. And I think I'm going to have to wait until tomorrow to show you guys this in my pretty window, because you've got to see this with the sun. So you see how I'm pulling the transfer tape? All right. So now we'll toss this away. Whew. And look at this beautiful sun catcher that you have. And again, I usually leave the back portion on my sun catcher until it gets to its destination, and I let the person know to take it off. But this is the color. All right, this is the color. I was just checking something out. So this is the color here. I think it looks gorgeous. Alrighty, whew, it's hot in here. These lights are killing me. Whew.
I want to take the time out to say thank you so much. And I've been trying to catch the sunrise or the sunset, and I keep missing it. So I figured I'd give you a beautiful background. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks so much. Bye.